Chinese tea. Hello guys, you probably travel quite a lot. When you take a photo like this, and when you take a photo like this, and when you're back home, you probably thought, wow, I wished I had this pose and this background. But you can't go back. So what are you gonna do? Today I'm gonna teach you how to put yourself from this picture to that background, just using your cell phone. Come with me. But I have to warn you, this application is made in China. I admit, previously, about 10 years ago, made in China is kind of represented low quality and some cheap stuff. But today, made in China is slightly different. Some Chinese people do make beautiful applications like this. So this one is called Photoshop Everyday. Alright, it's thought of like Photoshop every day, but you don't Photoshop every day. So you download, I think it's probably both for Android, iPhone OS. So you can probably download from either application platforms. So you download, and obviously you click it. You probably see some silly, some advertisement all over it, but nah, it's not essential. What am I gonna do is I'm asking some professional to explain to you how this works. Step 2, you click on the Magic Photoshop. Step 3, you highlight those areas you want to keep. Step 4, you erase those areas that you don't want to keep. In step 5, you choose the background of the photo you want to keep. And it's done! Magic! Wow! It's done! It's only 5 minutes! I've already finished. Made in China is surprisingly worked this time. That's pretty much for today. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.
16 train I ride, 16 coaches long. That long black train